If you're wondering how to redeem travel rewards in Navan, you've come to the right place. Stick with me as I break down everything you need to know to get the most out of your rewards using Navan, one of the most powerful and user-friendly travel management tools on the market today. Navan isn't just about booking flights and hotels, it's about making the whole travel experience easier and more rewarding. What sets it apart is its ability to streamline the redemption process for rewards, whether you're using points or credits from airlines, hotels, or travel loyalty programs. First off, if you're new to Navan, don't worry, it's super easy to get started. You can sign up for free through the link below where we've got an exclusive bonus waiting for you. Now, let's dive into redeeming travel rewards in Navan. Once you're logged into Navan, you'll first want to navigate to the rewards section. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll see a clear breakdown of your rewards balance from various travel partners. Navan integrates with major airlines and hotel chains, making it easier than ever to view and redeem those hard-earned points. The next step is selecting your desired reward. Whether it's a flight, hotel, or car rental, Navan will show you available options based on your rewards balance. But here's the trick. Navan gives you the flexibility to combine points with cash to book your travel. So, if you don't have enough points for a full booking, you can top off the difference with a credit card. What's great about this is Navan's intuitive interface. It's not just a travel management tool, it's a well-oiled machine designed to save you time and money. As you explore available options, Navan will also highlight any special offers or promotions, so you get the best value for your rewards. Once you've selected your travel reward, simply follow the prompts to confirm your booking. The process is streamlined, so you won't have to jump through hoops to get your travel arranged. You'll also receive a detailed confirmation email and updates on your booking status, so you can stay informed at all times. But the real kicker with Navan is that it can track your rewards over time, making it easier to plan for future trips. If you're planning ahead, you can see exactly how many points you need to redeem for a specific destination and when the best time is to book. This makes the whole travel planning process much more efficient and transparent. Now here's a little secret. If you stick around until the end, I'll tell you how to extend your free trial of Navan so you can test out these features for longer, completely risk-free. So, to recap, redeeming travel rewards in Navan is quick and straightforward. From combining points with cash to making smart booking choices, this software has everything you need to make the most of your rewards. And remember, you can start using Navan completely free, plus enjoy exclusive bonuses if you use the link below. Now, you have all the tools you need to manage your travel rewards like a pro. But don't forget, stick around for that extended free trial offer at the end.